Hello world, it's yours truly, G. Cole, Homegrown with G. Cole. The podcast airs right here on Jamaicans.com every Monday and Thursday, 7 p.m. till 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to talk about the facts of Jamaican music. I don't want to say reggae music because, all the other genres contribute to this Jamaican music culture also. The Windrush era, if you know about the Windrush era, that's when, Britain wanted labor. So they got people, a barrage of folk shipped over from the Caribbean, not just Jamaica, but from the Caribbean. But the Windrush era is what it is called. Contributed the reggae music influx to the UK. That's where the reggae music influx came to and how reggae became revered and so forth, and a staple in London and the rest of the UK is that Windrush era. When folks went over to do the work, they got the opportunity to stay and live. But of course, we need our music. We love our music. We can't survive without our music. So people started sending home for their vinyl collection, right? So though, that whole Windrush situation in the minds of many has a little taint to it, and I'm not mad for us feeling that way, but that contributed to how deeply rooted the UK is in this reggae music thing. My name is G. Cole. It is Homegrown with G. Cole. Keep it moving, keep it grooving. It's homegrown.